Do you ever wake up and feel like life is moving too fast and you're barely keeping up? That despite your plans, your hopes, your dreams, things somehow remain the same? That sense of being stuck, it's one of the most frustrating feelings because it whispers that change is someone else's responsibility, not yours. But here's a secret: the moment you take ownership of yourself, of your habits, of your thoughts, everything shifts. 2026 is not just another year. It's a blank canvas, and the brush is in your hands. Every thought, every decision, every small action you take will paint the picture of the life you will live. Imagine closing the year and realizing you didn't just survive. You grew, you evolved, you became someone who no longer waits for life to happen but makes life happen. That power begins with one simple truth: work on yourself, because no one else will do it for you. Think about the people you admire most: the leaders, the artists, the innovators, the people who changed the world. They weren't just talented, they were intentional. They woke up every day and invested in themselves, not just in skills or knowledge, but in character, resilience, mindset, and focus. They understood that external success is always a reflection of internal mastery. And if you want to step into the version of yourself that commands respect, influence, and fulfillment, that is the level of commitment you must make in 2026. It's not about luck. It's not about waiting for the right opportunity. It's about creating it, one deliberate step at a time. I want you to imagine your life if you started today. Not tomorrow, not next week, not when circumstances feel perfect. Today you decide to stop making excuses, to stop blaming circumstances, to stop thinking that someone else will save you or give you permission to grow. Today, you take full responsibility for your mind, your habits, and your results. Because the reality is, no one is coming to rescue you. Life doesn't wait, and success doesn't knock politely. It's earned by those who refuse to wait, by those who invest in themselves relentlessly, day after day, even when it feels hard, even when the world seems indifferent. That is the mindset you must carry into 2026. Let's be honest, working on yourself is not always glamorous. It's not always easy. It's uncomfortable. It demands that you confront your flaws, face your fears, and step outside the safety of familiarity. Most people shy away from this discomfort. They avoid it. They seek temporary relief in entertainment, procrastination, or habits that feel soothing but do nothing to move the needle in their lives. But here's the truth: growth is born in discomfort. Real transformation comes when you challenge yourself, when you step into uncertainty, when you do the hard things consistently, without an immediate reward. 2026 is a year that will reward your courage to face that discomfort. Every small choice to improve, every habit you change, every fear you face, every hour you invest in learning and self-discipline is a deposit into a future you cannot yet fully see, but one that will thank you endlessly. One of the most powerful tools you have in your journey is your mind. Your thoughts, your beliefs, and the way you frame your life can either limit you or elevate you. For decades, people have underestimated the simple fact that mastery over your mind is the foundation of every achievement. If you don't control your thoughts, you will remain a passenger in a life dictated by circumstance, environment, or other people's expectations. But if you choose to master your mind, you can master your reality. 2026 is not just a chance to change habits. It's a chance to change the way you think, the way you perceive challenges, the way you respond to setbacks, and the way you interact with opportunities. Think about it. The most successful people aren't those who have everything handed to them. They're those who cultivate discipline, patience, and self-awareness. They know that every moment wasted in doubt or self-pity is a moment stolen from their potential. They know that true growth happens quietly, in moments when no one is watching, when you choose to stick to the routine, to push through resistance, and to believe in the possibility of a better version of yourself, even when the path seems unclear. 2026 will separate those who are willing to do the inner work from those who wait for miracles. The choice is yours. And here's something most people don't realize. Working on yourself isn't only about reaching external milestones. It's about becoming unshakable internally. It's about having clarity in decisions, confidence in your abilities, and peace in your own presence. When you invest in yourself, you develop resilience against criticism, distractions, and failures. You stop depending on external validation because you've built an inner foundation so strong that setbacks feel like lessons, not catastrophes. This is the invisible power that sets extraordinary people apart. It's not what they have, it's who they are. And 2026 is the perfect year to start embodying that power. Now, let's talk about habits. Not the small fleeting ones, but the ones that shape your destiny. Every day, we make thousands of choices, and these choices compound into results over time. Some choices lift us, others hold us down. 2026 is your opportunity to identify the habits that are keeping you stuck and to replace them with ones that push you forward. Waking up early, setting priorities, dedicating time to learning, exercising your body, nurturing your mind, and surrounding yourself with people who inspire growth. These are not optional. These are essentials if you want to transform your life. And here's the secret. Consistency beats intensity every single time. You don't need to overhaul your life overnight. You need to commit, day after day, to being slightly better than yesterday. That is how momentum is built. But working on yourself isn't only about discipline. It's about clarity of purpose. Too many people drift through life reacting to situations rather than creating them. They allow fear, doubt, or other people's opinions to dictate their path. 2026 is your year to break free from this pattern. Identify what truly matters to you, what drives your soul, and align every action with that vision. When your purpose is clear, every decision becomes easier, every distraction loses its power, and every setback becomes a stepping stone. Purpose acts as a compass, and without it, even the most disciplined efforts can feel aimless. Now, let's reflect on fear. Fear is often misunderstood. People think it's a signal to stop, to retreat, or to avoid risk. But fear is a messenger, pointing you toward areas where growth is possible. Every moment you feel uncomfortable, every moment your heart races at the thought of challenge, that's an opportunity to expand your capacity. 2026 will challenge you to face these fears head-on, not by reckless action, but by intentional courage. True transformation comes when you act despite fear, not in its absence. The people you admire most are not fearless. They simply refuse to let fear control them. And here's the thing. Working on yourself is contagious. When you grow, you influence your environment, your relationships, and the people around you. Your progress creates energy, inspiration, and standards that others can't ignore. You don't need to preach or push. Your example alone shifts the space you occupy. By investing in yourself in 2026, you're not just building your future, you're elevating everyone who is connected to you. Let's talk about routines, the invisible architecture of your life. Every successful person you admire has a system, a daily rhythm that supports growth, clarity, and productivity. You see, talent alone is rarely enough. It's discipline, consistency, and the choices you make each day that create monumental results over time. 2026 is your chance to design a routine that isn't just functional, but transformative. It begins with small, intentional actions. Waking up early isn't about following a trend. It's about claiming hours of uninterrupted focus before the world's noise rushes in. It's the sacred time when your mind is clear, your energy is high, and your intentions for the day are set. Those early hours become your superpower, a secret weapon that separates those who drift through life from those who steer it. But routines alone won't carry you. Your mindset must be cultivated. Too often, people focus solely on external achievements, while neglecting the internal landscape. Yet, it is your mind that interprets challenges, your mind that motivates you when energy wanes, and your mind that frames the story you tell yourself about success and failure. In 2026, commit to feeding your mind with empowering perspectives. Replace thoughts of doubt with questions that inspire growth. Instead of asking, "Why me?" ask, "How can I rise?" Instead of fearing mistakes, see them as information, as signposts guiding you toward mastery. Every mental shift, no matter how subtle, compounds into profound changes in the way you act, the people you attract, and the opportunities you create. Let's not forget the power of reflection. Most people move through life on autopilot, rarely pausing to assess progress, purpose, or alignment with their goals. In 2026, reflection should become your ally. At the end of each day, take a moment to ask yourself, what did I do today that brought me closer to the person I want to be? And what habits or thoughts held me back? This daily practice might feel small, but over weeks and months, it becomes a mirror revealing patterns that either serve you or sabotage you. Awareness is the first step toward mastery. You can't change what you don't acknowledge. Another secret to transformation is managing your energy, not just your time. We often talk about productivity in terms hours, but the truth is, energy fuels action. Where your attention goes, energy flows. Who you spend time with, the content you consume, and even the inner dialogue you maintain all drain or elevate your energy. In 2026, become a curator of your life. Surround yourself with people who challenge and inspire you. Engage with ideas that expand your understanding of the world and your place in it. Protect your energy fiercely. Say no to distractions, toxicity, and habits that leave you depleted. When your energy is aligned with your goals, your focus becomes unstoppable. Now let's address fear of failure. Fear is one of the most insidious enemies of growth because it disguises itself as caution, comfort, or rationality. But here's a truth that can change everything. Failure is not the opposite of success. It is a stepping stone. Every time you stumble, you gather wisdom, resilience, and insight that can never be taken away. The people you admire, those who've created empires, written books, led movements, failed countless times before their breakthroughs. 2026 can be the year you embrace the lessons of failure rather than letting them define you. Stop avoiding the discomfort of mistakes and start seeking the education they provide. Let's dive deeper into habits, because habits are the compound interest of your life. One small, consistent action repeated daily can transform you far more than a grand gesture done once. Consider journaling. 5 minutes a day might feel inconsequential, but over a year, you'll have documented your growth, tracked patterns, and clarified your goals. Or meditation, even 10 minutes of daily focus, strengthens your mind's resilience, sharpens your clarity, and quiets the noise of doubt. In 2026, choose habits that are aligned with who you want to become. Eliminate behaviors that drain you. Procrastination, negative self-talk, overindulgence, or constant comparison. Every habit you remove frees space for a higher version of yourself to emerge. Now imagine the influence of your environment. The people, spaces, and culture you surround yourself with are not just background. They actively shape your behaviors, your beliefs, and your expectations. 2026 offers an opportunity to intentionally sculpt your environment. Surround yourself with people who elevate your standards, not those who normalize mediocrity. Create spaces that foster creativity, focus, and peace. Declutter the mental, physical, and emotional chaos that holds you back. The environment you cultivate becomes a silent partner in your journey towards success and fulfillment. Let's discuss the power of self-discipline. Discipline isn't about harshness or punishment. It's about creating boundaries and honoring commitments to yourself. Every time you choose to act despite resistance, you strengthen your character. Every time you resist a temptation to give in to instant gratification in favor of long-term gains, you build trust in yourself. And here's a profound insight. Self-discipline fuels freedom. The more you control your impulses and act with intention, the less life controls you. 2026 is the year to claim that freedom through consistent, intentional action. Emotional mastery is equally critical. Life is unpredictable and circumstances rarely go exactly as planned. Without the ability to regulate your emotions, even the most disciplined, prepared person can be derailed. In 2026, practice awareness of your emotional state. Notice how frustration, impatience, or doubt influence your decisions. Use tools like deep breathing, visualization, or mindfulness to regain calm and clarity in moments of turbulence. When you manage your emotions effectively, you gain a competitive edge, the ability to act strategically rather than react impulsively, to see opportunities hidden in challenges, and to maintain steady progress even under pressure. Finally, the concept of vision must anchor every effort. Working on yourself without a clear destination is like rowing a boat without a compass. What are your non-negotiables for 2026? What do you want to feel, achieve, and become by the end of this year? Take time to define your vision in detail. Imagine the habits you practice daily, the person you interact with in the mirror, the influence you have on those around you. Vision transforms abstract effort into meaningful action. When you know exactly what you're rowing toward, every small effort becomes purposeful, and every obstacle becomes a necessary lesson rather than a setback. As you take stock of your life and habits, it becomes clear that growth is not a single act but a series of intentional choices. Every day presents an opportunity to either move closer to your potential or drift further away. The truth is, most people drift because they don't realize how much power lies in small, consistent actions repeated over time. Imagine if you committed to becoming 1% better every single day. In 1 year, that compounding effect would make you more than 3 times stronger, more disciplined, and more capable than you were at the start. That's the invisible magic of deliberate effort, and 2026 is your perfect canvas to paint it. Let's talk about courage. Because without courage, all the strategies in the world amount to little more than good intentions. Courage isn't the absence of fear, it's action in the presence of fear. In 2026, you will face moments where doubt whispers, "You're not ready," or "It's too late." Those are the moments where your character is forged. The people who achieve greatness, the people who break through ceilings and redefine their limits, don't wait for confidence to arrive. They act first, and confidence follows. When you learn to step forward despite uncertainty, you unlock a level of personal power that can't be taught, only lived. Accountability is another pillar that separates dreamers from achievers. In 2026, you must stop outsourcing responsibility for your life. Stop blaming circumstances, people, or timing for where you are. Instead, claim full ownership. When you hold yourself accountable for both failures and successes, you reclaim control over your destiny. This is liberating because it shifts the focus from frustration to action. Accountability transforms passive complaining into active problem solving. When you see yourself as the primary driver of your own life, you stop waiting for permission and start creating opportunities. Let's dive into the critical habit of reflection and learning. Life is not static, it is a constant feedback loop. Each decision, each interaction, each outcome carries lessons that can either propel you forward or keep you stagnant. In 2026, adopt a mindset of a lifelong student. Seek feedback actively. Observe your patterns, question your assumptions, and be willing to adjust. The most successful individuals do not rigidly cling to what worked yesterday. They evolve with every insight. Learning doesn't only happen in classrooms or books, it happens in every conversation, every challenge, and every failure. Treat life as a continuous curriculum, and you will find that growth accelerates naturally. Now, let's explore resilience. The road to self-improvement is never smooth. You will encounter setbacks, rejections, and moments of doubt that threaten to derail your efforts. Resilience is not merely bouncing back, it is the ability to remain committed and purposeful despite obstacles. In 2026, resilience will be your shield. Build it through small daily exercises. persisting when tasks feel too hard, staying consistent when motivation dips, and maintaining optimism when outcomes seem delayed. Resilience isn't a trait you are born with. It is a muscle you develop through experience, reflection, and the conscious choice to keep moving forward. Relationships play a subtle but profound role in shaping who you become. In 2026, evaluate the people you allow close to your life. Are they supportive, challenging, inspiring, or do they drain your energy, reinforce limiting beliefs, or normalize mediocrity? Growth is contagious, and so is stagnation. Seek connections that stretch your thinking, inspire action, and hold you to higher standards. At the same time, learn to gracefully distance yourself from relationships that no longer serve your evolution. Protecting your inner ecosystem is not selfish, it is strategic. The people around you either accelerate your growth or slow it down, and the choice is yours to make. Let's discuss focus, because it is the currency of achievement. Multitasking, distractions, and endless digital noise steal your most valuable asset, attention. In 2026, protect your focus fiercely. Identify your priorities and structure your day around them. Remove the unnecessary, automate what you can, and resist the temptation to scatter your energy across dozens of trivial tasks. True focus means immersing yourself completely in what matters, producing quality over quantity, and developing mastery through deep, sustained effort. When your focus aligns with purpose, your work becomes magnetic, and results follow inevitably. Gratitude may seem simple, but it is transformative. In 2026, begin each day by acknowledging what you have, who you are, and what you can create. Gratitude shifts your perspective from scarcity to abundance, from complaint to possibility. It softens resistance and opens your mind to opportunity. The most powerful leaders and creators maintain a daily practice of appreciation, not because life is perfect, but because they recognize the fuel that comes from perspective. Gratitude amplifies energy, attracts support, and strengthens resilience. In short, it accelerates growth in ways that strategy alone cannot. Your health is the foundation of everything else. Mental, physical, and emotional well-being are interconnected, and neglecting any dimension undermines your potential. In 2026, treat your body and mind as sacred instruments. Prioritize sleep, nutrition, exercise, and mindful practices that restore energy and clarity. A sharp mind and a strong body allow you to take risks, persist through challenges, and seize opportunities with confidence. When you invest in your health, every other goal becomes more achievable, because energy, focus, and clarity are the invisible engines of success. Purpose is the compass that guides action. Without purpose, even disciplined routines can feel hollow. In 2026, take time to clarify your why. What do you stand for? What do you want to create or contribute? Purpose transforms mundane tasks into meaningful steps and ignites passion when motivation wanes. It keeps you anchored when obstacles appear. People with purpose act decisively because every action is tied to a larger vision, not fleeting rewards. In the journey of self-improvement, purpose is the beacon that ensures every effort compounds into meaningful, lasting change. Finally, remember this: self-improvement is a journey, not a destination. In 2026, commit to becoming a little better every day, in thought, action, and emotion. Progress is rarely linear, and setbacks are inevitable, but consistent effort, reflection, courage, and resilience compound into extraordinary transformation. You will not only achieve goals, but you will embody the person you once only imagined. That is the true power of working on yourself. It changes the trajectory of your life and in turn inspires those around you to rise as well.